Hello, my dear friends. Last time we have seen about the terminologies, the basic terms that we use in number basis. Today's lesson is about chapter 1, which is base changes. At first, remember that a base is a combination of digits that a counting system uses to represent numbers. It is a combination of digits. That a counting system uses to represent numbers. So let's see how we change from base 10 to any other base. Here we have an example. Example 1, where we are asked to change the following number accordingly. Our example is to change 92 in base 10 to base 6. It is in base 6. Now we have a solution. What I can tell you here, it is that if we are changing from base 10 to any other base, please keep in mind that we are dealing with division. We are dividing. This implies that with our example we have 92, where we will divide with the base in which we wanted to change our number. We will divide by 6. If we divide 92 by 6, here we have 15. It is 15. The remainder will be 2. It is 92 divided by 6 equals 15, remain 2. 15 divided by 6. Here we will have 2. We have 2. Then remain 3. 3 will remain. 2 divided by 6. As you see, 2 is very small compared to 6. It means 6 can't divide 2. That's why if we divide 2 by 6, we will have 0, then remain 2. This is the answer that we needed. But we need to write this answer in a very good way. We will write it from last remainder up to the first remainder. Then we have 92 10, which is equal to 232 in base 6. Example 2. Example 2. Convert 7, 2 and 5, 10 into 2 base 8. an answer. Like as we did on the first example, we divide. We have 725 divided by 8. Yes, if we divide by 8, here we have 9. The 9 we will have also remainder, which is equal to 5. The remainder is 5. 9 divided by 8, we have 1. It is equal to 1. Where if we have 1 times 8, we will have 8 to mean that remain 1. 1 dividing by 8, it is simply 0. We will have 0 here. If we have 0, 1, this 1 will remain. This one, it becomes remainder. Now, we will need to write our solution upward, where we will have 725 in base 10, which is equal to 115 in base 8. This is our solution we needed. So, in order to understand very well, let's have third example. Example 3 is to change 1, 9, 4, 10 to base 8. Like as we did before, we have to divide. We have 1, 9, 4, which will be divided by this 8, as we need to change our base into base 8. Here we will have 8. 194 divided by 8, we will have 24. This 24, we will also have remainder of 2. If we have 24 times 8, we will have 192, then plus this one, which will be equal to 194. Now, 24 divided by 8, we will have 3. This 3, we will have remainder of 0. 3 times 4 is equal to 24. That's why remainder will be 0. 3 divided by 8, we will have 0. Then our 3 become a remainder. It will become a remainder. It means to write our solution, we will write from 3 up to 2. It means we write our solution from the last remainder to the first remainder. So 1, 9, 4, 10 is equal to 3, 0, 2, 8. This is our new base we have. So you see that through our examples, we are always dealing with the division. We are dividing. The key point here we can grasp in our mind, it is that if we are changing from base 10, when we are changing a number from base 10 to any base, we take the number and divide it with the base in which we want to change our number. That is the way of changing from base 10 to any other base. Another thing here is solution is written from last remainder from the last remainder up to the first remainder. We have seen examples. Now keep this in mind. No any number will be difficult for you to change it from base 10 to any other base you will be requested. So let's have some exercises that you will do on your own pace. The way you will do, whenever you get time, you will try them. Then the answers, you may share them on this channel through our comments part, where we will discuss them in the following video, in the following lesson. Before starting the following lesson, we will try to answer these questions. Work out. The first one, it is to convert 50 to base 5. 2, it is to change 8 to 10 to base 9. And another thing I can share you, it is to what does 8 mean in 8, 1, 10. This will be base 6 and 3, which is 108 within base 8. So you will try to answer these questions. Their solutions you will possibly share with us in our comments, and whenever you have a question, whenever you have an idea to add, please leave it in the comments. I can now remind you that if you didn't subscribe, please subscribe, like this video, share it, and press notification bell so that you will be always receiving our new videos as soon as we upload new one. I like you, I love you. Please stay with us, follow this lesson, follow this unit, end it, so that you will develop the competencies that you highlighted before. Thank you very much. See you soon.